Hey, what's up, WazirX holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the urgent update of WazirX. My friends, this update is very urgent, very important for all WazirX holders. Keep watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe ABS Tech channel. If you have any type of questions about cryptocurrencies market, about crypto, so please tell me in the comment box. I will try to answer your questions. Let's start the video, friends, without waste any time. My friends, the latest price of WazirX at this time in the market is 1.77 USD dollar is the current price of WazirX. That is the live update you are watching now on the screen. Same like that, if you look the BTC Bitcoin price of the WazirX, so 0.0000487 USD dollar is the Bitcoin price of WazirX. Same like that, available supply, market cap, 24 hours volume you can see now on the screen. My friends, on the other side, if we look the price changes occur in the WazirX, so oh my goodness, the last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 24 hours pricing is negative. So I'm very shocked to see that what's wrong with you, WazirX. 24 hours pricing is negative. That's mean that the yesterday pricing is negative, the 1st June price of WazirX is negative. And my friends, as I told you in my previous videos, that maybe there's a lot of chances to take a jump in the 1st June. So now the 1st June price is negative. I'm wrong. Maybe maybe WazirX take a jump in the future in the start of June. But unfortunately, but don't lose hope. It's time to hold, my friends. If you hold, so there is a lot of chances in the future to they again take a jump. When they take a jump, when you are in the profit, sell it and go away from the market. But now at this time, this is not a perfect time to sell because you are in the loss. If you decide to sell at this time, so you are in the loss. And if you decide to hold at this time, so maybe my friends, in the future there's a lot of chances to take a jump. So you have to hold. If you hold, you will get profit, and if you sell, you will get loss. Anyways, my prediction about WazirX is positive. I believe that the huge pump, next jump of WazirX is coming soon. Wait for it. And what is your opinion? What is your prediction about WazirX? Please share in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.